So fill in the blanks. First one. National Archives of India is located in. What is National Archives in short called? NAI. So it is located in New Delhi. New Delhi. Got it? National Archives of India, NAI, is located in New Delhi. Second one. Bartholomew Dias, a Portuguese sailor, was patronized by King John II. Second one, King John II. So Bartholomew Dias, a Portuguese sailor, was patronized by King John II. So this is the second answer. Third one. The printing press in India was set up by Dash at Goa in 1556. So printing press in India was set up by whom? Portuguese. 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 The printing press in India was set up by Portuguese at Goa in 1556. Fourth one. The Mughal Emperor Dash permitted the English to trade in India. Who was that? Yes, it's Jahangir. 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 Fourth one's answer. The Mughal Emperor Jahangir permitted the English to trade in India. Correct? Fifth one. The French East India Company was formed by Dash. Who was that? Colbert. 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 The French East India Company was formed by Colbert. Sixth one. Dash, the King of Denmark, issued a charter to create Danish East India Company. Who was it? What was that? Christian. The answer is Christian. 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 Christian, the King of Denmark, issued a charter to create Danish East India Company. Correct? Yes. Now coming to match the following. First one, the Dutch. Dutch, what is the answer? Yes, answer is 1602. The answer is 1602. So the Dutch answer is 1602. Second one, the British. The British answer is 1600. Number 2. 1600. Next. Third one, the Danish. The answer is 1616 is the answer. And the last one, the French. Answer is 1664. Next, coming to true or false. State true or false. First one, autobiography is one of the written source. Yes, it is true. Autobiography is one of the written source. It is true. So TRUE. True. Second one, coins are one of the material source. Yes, it is true. I'll just write in short T. Third one, Ananda Rangam was a translator served under British. Answer is false. He served under French, not British. Okay. So answer is false here. Fourth, the place where historical documents are preserved is called archives. Yes, it is true. Okay, next. So next one is consider the following statement and tick the appropriate answer. Here they have given 4 statements. Okay. From this we have to tick the appropriate answer. Governor Nino de Cana moved Portugal's capital from Cochin to Goa. So this is the first statement. Second statement. Portuguese were the last to leave from in India. Third one, the Dutch founded their first factory at Surat. Fourth one, Sir Thomas Roe was sent to Jahangir's court by King James I of England. So what are the statements or appropriate in this? Okay, what they have asked here, consider the following statements and tick the appropriate answer. So we have to tick the appropriate answer. What are the right answer from this? So here the answer is D. 1, 2 and 4 are correct. What are they? First one. First one, 1, 2 and 4 are correct. So answer is D is the answer here. Okay. Governor Nino de Cana moved Portuguese capital from Cochin to Goa is the right answer. Portuguese were the last to leave from in India. That is the right. And fourth one, Sir Thomas Roe was sent to Jahangir's court by King James I of England is right. So answer is what? D is the answer here. Got clear? Next. Find out the wrong pair. So what is the wrong pair? Which is the wrong pair here? So Francis Day, Denmark they have given. So this is the wrong pair. Francis Day, Denmark. Okay, next.